Guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. My name is Jay, and this is my Diecast Creations channel. Today we're going to do something different that I haven't done yet. Before we get to that, though, I want you guys to take a second to go over to Devil's Detail Diecast. I'll leave the description down, the link down in the description. Jamie is a great guy. He's a great builder. He's doing a lot of good things for the community, and he's on the pinnacle of hitting 1,000 subscribers. So he made an announcement last night that he's doing a giveaway, and basically if I send somebody over there and you tell him that I sent you, I'll be entered into the giveaway, and you'll be entered into the giveaway as well. So I'll leave the link to the video that you need to watch and comment on. It's a short one. I think it's like 4 minutes. But if you like free stuff and you like custom builds, go down there, check out Jamie. Let him know that I sent you on that video, and we'll both be entered into the giveaway. And just so you know, I'll be participating in that build off as well. So go check out Jamie, great dude. Let's help him hit 1,000. So moving on, I I woke up this morning and mailman came, and I've been waiting for this package from Green Miniatures, Mad Cars. I had participated in the Gaslands UK Car of the Month competition in December, and I placed second. So I won a package from Mad Cars, their 3D printer for like Gasland stuff. And I think I got 4 sprues. I'm not really sure. The package came a little beat up, so I really hope that it's not damaged. But I have no idea what's in this package, so we're gonna cut it open and see what it is, right? And I'm using a new mount for my camera, so it's a little hard to work around. Apologize for that. We're gonna do our best to cut this open and see what we got going on, boom, boom, boom. It looks like it might have got wet and squished at some point in time. Hopefully it's all good to go in there. It did say he put insurance on it, so I don't know how insurance works internationally, but get this tape off of here. Come on, baby. This took about a month and a half to get here, so I'm pretty excited. We'll see what we got here. So there's the package. I taped over his address so you can't see it, and I took my address off. Oh man, I really hope it's not damaged. It's moist on the inside. Oh boy. Alright, so it looks like most of the stuff is at the other end of the package, so that's a good thing. Let's take this out and get rid of this box. Okay, so what do we got? What do we got? Mad Cars. We got 4 sprues. Alright, so let's go one by one. Get rid of this. The first sprue I see is a car. It's actually like a supercar, it looks like. Let's take them out. Huh? Take this stuff to the side. And I'm going to try to make this a short video because I have a whole video that I'm working on right after this. And we might launch them back to back, honestly. I might put out 2 videos today. So, looks like a supercar. I'm not exactly sure what kind, if it's a replica or if it's like a custom piece. It's got a little bit of stuff I got to clean up there. I don't know how good you can see this, but the quality looks pretty good. I mean, like anything else that's 3D printed, you're going to have things that you need to clean up, right? And just so you guys know, I've never used any 3D printed anything yet. So this is actually the first 3D printed pieces that I've ever had to use. This looks like the base. Okay. Oh, and then there's a wheel there. The wheel got stuck on something, it looks like. Okay. This is a wheel. What else we got? What else we got? What else we got? What is this? Not really sure what these are supposed to be, but I'll look it up on their website. They have a website. I'll either pop it on the screen here, or I'll leave it down in the description. These guys are great sponsors of that competition they got over there. So go check them out. Support the guys that support us, right? So there's a car. Looks cool. Maybe we'll do something with that. Maybe we'll Gasland it up, or maybe I'll turn it into a custom. I don't know. Next, we'll see what this is. I got... what is this? Figures? Oh, boy. Now, this is something that I'm going into the unknown with figures. I have no experience with figures at all. And I know that they're really hard to paint, so I don't know how much use I will get out of these, but I'll try to make them work. Looks like there's the heads there. Just dump the whole thing out, huh? Oh, we got a lot of stuff fell off. Yeah, so this box got smashed, and something got broke. Oh man, that stinks. Looks like there's chest pieces and back pieces, maybe. Yeah, that goes with that. Okay. And the driver arms, which, this one looks like it got bent. The other one's in pieces here, but, and then there's the legs. So we got some standing guys and we got some sitting guys. I can't really complain. This stuff came from halfway across the world. I'm in New York. So for it to make it here from Poland, for it to even make it here right now with the whole pandemic thing, I'm happy. I'm happy. So we'll push these over to the side. Try not to lose them or any of the pieces that fell off. And try to glue some of that back together. And what else we got? We got some. We got some looks like more figures of some sort, and I'm not sure, a drum? Is that a drum? And I should have went on the website and seen what he had to offer here, but I'll say, so this is cool. That's a machine gun, right? And maybe that's a stand for a turret mount or something. And then this looks like another type of machine gun. So that's cool. This one's got a dual feed drum on it, double barrel. And maybe this is another turret mount. I got to figure out what those are and what they're for. But there's a little extra stuff I got to trim off. A nice figure with a gun there too. Maybe stand him in the back of a pickup truck or on a war rig or something. And these are drivers. And it looks like a 50 cal shield turret for the turret, right? And then there's another action figure looking guy here with what looks like a Tommy gun of some sort. And it looks like the gun got broke on a trip. But all right, we'll try to glue it back together and see what happens, So we'll put these guys over here to the side, and then we got one more package. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, this is awesome. This is what I like, because I don't buy custom wheels and stuff. I usually trash bash my builds. So, I will be making another order with Green Miniatures just to show support. I would have ordered the stuff with this order. But I didn't know what they were sending me, and I didn't want to be like greedy and be like, oh, well, what are you sending me? I'm going to order some more stuff that's different, so I wanted to see what they sent first, and now I'll go back on, and I'm probably just going to match what they sent me. So, they sent me 4 sprues. I'll probably buy 4 sprues just cause I'm that kind of guy, but now at least I know I'll get a variety of stuff. You got some off-road wheels here, some bigger ones, it looks like, and then just different treads. That's really cool. and then this is a matching set. So yeah, so 3 sets of wheels. I'll take it. Cool. Cool, man. I go support Green Miniatures. Go support the Gaslands UK page. And if you're a builder and you want to get into this, every single month, they have a competition and there's prizes to be had. Go check out the Gaslands UK page, the Car of the Month competition. I want to give a shout out to James Hall. Go check out JH Miniatures on YouTube. Subscribe to his channel. He's stepped down from the role of taking over the videos there, but he's doing other things now. So if you're a fan of Warhammer or anything in general, as far as building stuff, go check him out. And then go to Gaslands TV. Subscribe to Luca. He has taken over as the new generator of these videos for every month. And Luca's got a Etsy page that he sells his 3D printed parts and stuff. So if you're a fan of Gaslands and you like building stuff like this, you can buy a whole shipping container full of parts that are custom made, 3D printed from Luca over at Gaslands TV. I'll link all of those channels down in the description, and I hope this was entertaining for you guys to watch. And maybe you go and support this guy and get some of these pieces as well. Thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. I'll have another haul video coming soon. I'm about to record it now, so maybe we'll try to drop that back to back. All right. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to see all my videos coming up. I got some really nice builds on the way, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.